Hi everyone. This week on Friction Friday, we have the 2024 through 2026 Ford Ranger Raptor. Built for high-speed off-road performance, the Ranger Raptor combines aggressive suspension tuning, turbocharged power, and rugged capability into a mid-sized truck platform designed to push harder than the ordinary pickup. With that kind of performance on and off the pavement, braking confidence becomes just as important as acceleration. DFC's 5000 series advanced brake pads and GeoSpec coated rotors are engineered to meet OE specifications, delivering strong stopping power, stable pedal feel, and consistent response under demanding driving conditions. GeoSpec coated rotors help resist corrosion caused by mud, moisture, road salt, and changing weather conditions, supporting long-term durability in real-world environments. OE-specific designs ensure accurate fitment and reliable installation for technicians servicing the Ranger Raptor. The result is braking that stays predictable and composed whether the truck is carving through trails, climbing steep grades, or cruising on the highway. DFC brake components are available individually or as complete all-in-one brake kits, helping distributors simplify inventory while allowing service teams to complete jobs efficiently. DFC proudly supports the 2024 to 2026 Ford Ranger Raptor with a complete braking solution, pads, rotors, and hardware engineered for durability, performance, and OE level fit. If you missed this week's Must-Have Monday email, connect with your DFC sales rep or visit dynamicfriction.com to download the full sell sheet organized by make and model. And as always, stay tuned for next week's Friction Friday to see what we're launching next.